Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that has been missing from this affordable provide for a while. Natural, the question arises: is Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Upbeat music before we get started. I lifted the best discount deal in the description below. It is easy to use. Unlike most website builder with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that includes the builder. That this is a great deal. While platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site, Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 website with a single affordable plan. However, this means there no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there's 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable is the industry. We talking pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. The builder offer our 100 unique looking template. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy with no premium locked option. You can use any template. The auditor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The auditor is simple and no code quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy. Just drag them from the tab. Although there are many elements to choose from, there enough for most websites. I love how you can add image from free libraries or your phone quickly. A feature beginner will appreciate is the grade system. It split the design into square, speed up the process by eliminating the need to move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what is available. Pricing no for the fun part. Pricing hosting is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup. Cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. Then true value through lies in the premium plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth limits, a free domain, and up to 100 websites. That's probably the best deal out there, especially with our discount link below. Hostinger renewal rate are also consumer friendly with prices doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just wanting to sell a 5 item online. Managing inventory, ad and ending product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, especially for online shop. If your site load slowly, you lose customers. Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is a light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I reviewed, and within Google recommended time from Blogging Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lack the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to put each post as a spread page, which can be tedious. AI tool hosting your web builder offer a 5A AI tool to help you get started, and AI logo generator, AI writer, and heat map feature and assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginner. Conclusion: if you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger may be the answer. It's the cheapest premium web builder on the marketing with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend giving Hostinger a try. Thank you for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want more, leave a like on this video. See you all later.